Well guys, it's that time of the year again. Harvest has officially started over here in Ohio. This is the first field of beans that we've started for harvest. We brought the equipment down last night just to get the field opened up. And it was pretty late at night when we checked these beans. We honestly didn't think we'd have anything ready just yet, but right now the beans are running about 11%, and the monitor's saying they're averaging 62, but that's with the monitor not calibrated yet. So for some reason I can't get my auto steer from veering to the right for some reason. Made a new AB line and everything. But if it doesn't straighten out, I can always drive. No big deal. So it's official, the 2020 harvest has started for us. Hopefully this season's a good season. Hopefully we see some pretty good numbers. And I'm hoping that monitor isn't too far off, because I'm liking that 62 bushels. So here we go, guys. Soybean harvest 2020. Well, we got our agronomist here with a weigh wagon doing a calibration of the monitor real quick. This last time we were only off about 16 pounds. We're gonna go to the other end of the field and drive towards the weigh wagon, because you don't need very much. So I'll just drive down to the other end and take 12 rows back to the other end and put it in the weigh wagon and compare weights. See what happens this time. This is the third time we've done this. So hopefully this third time will be the last time we have to do this, and we can get back to getting the field done. We don't have that much more to go. So we'll get this calibrated, get back to cutting, and see where we're gonna go next. Well guys, we had to slow down just a little bit. I got the field done across the street where my truck's at. These beans are tough. I guess we'll just put it that way. You can only run about 3 miles an hour. If you go any faster than that, it just wants to bog the machine down. These beans are still got some green leaves on them, and they're so stringy and potty and full of chaff that the combine just can't handle all that chaff down in the head going through the cylinder. It's just out here in the middle of the field. You get out here towards the end and it kind of thins out a little bit and you can start running about 3.5 again. But on a positive note, these beans are averaging 72 bushels an acre, and I've seen anywhere from as high as 90 bushels out here. So there's some good beans out here. You just gotta take it slow and make sure you get them all. Get as much as possible anyway. These are really dry. These are running 9-10%. But the chaff is still kind of green. We haven't gotten a nice hard frost yet to wipe out all the green stuff yet. So hopefully one of these days we can get a good frost and get rid of some of these green leaves. Well guys, that about does it for today. We're just about wrapped up for the night. Got a couple more rounds to make here and we'll be taking the head off and shutting her down for the night. Elevator closed at 7, so we could only run until we got the trucks full. So until next time guys, I hope you guys are all having a good harvest. For those of you that have started, for those of you that haven't, I sure hope you guys can get some stuff ready soon. Because let me tell you what, it sure feels good to be back in the saddle again. We'll see you on the next one guys, and we'll see you later.